morning. We're doing the funnest job on the farm today. Moving 170 something bales. I think what we'll do, I don't know what he's doing, but we're gonna put the double bale spear on that. We're gonna put kind of our railings on our flatbed truck so we could flatbed trailer. That way we can put bales on there, so we'll both be hauling. I'll be hauling with our normal bale trailer. He'll have the flatbed. What you doing?
How come you look all fancy and I've got a 15-year-old $5 t-shirt on?
That may or may not say twins on the front.
Yeah.
Well,
You're all fancy looking. Are you preppy? Is that what they call that?
thanks.
Let's go check some hay, and then if we can't do that, we'll both haul bales.
Okay. I got a feeling neither of us are very motivated today.
Yeah, why aren't you? I bail till midnight. What's your excuse?
I edited a video till 11.
Oh, yeah. You were up late. You called me before you went to bed.
Also, it's really windy today, and the gusts are up to 20 or 30 mile an hour. So if we rake some of that hay that may or may not be ready, then it might blow away or get into the fence line. So we're just gonna see if it's dry enough yet, and maybe later today Dad will just try to bale it without raking it. Out here, Jeff had cut the end rows like a day before everything else. That ain't really ready to go. And so we were hoping we could get the end rows off before they get rained on. I found some wet. You find some wet?
It's not cured yet.
On the way over here, Dad said we have 12 loads of alfalfa over there and 4 loads of grass. So that's definitely an all-day thing right there.
16 loads of hay to pick up. That's 8 loads apiece. That's a full day.
Tough.
Guess I got enough of that.
That's all over your fingers.
Yeah, no, it is.
Takes a lot of time getting prepared when you're not prepared. Here are the rails. These just poke down into those slots on the side for like if you got a ratchet strap. And then we got 2 sides and a back piece. I think they go on pretty easily. Yeah. Getting there, we got a back piece on, and then they just bolt together with this makeshift flat iron that was welded on there. And then we also have a bolt hole right here that we can put in so it keeps this from popping out. It gets a little bouncy going on the road. It's gonna blow away, Dougie. Head for the hills.
I think I'll haul the jigs. I'm gonna find a spot.
Okay.
And you just fill here.
That's the South Farm, by the way.
We'll stay from having to get over on those narrow roads that way.
Okay.
And
It's about lunchtime, you say?
yeah.
Oh,
You're gonna have to watch your temperature on that.
really?
These when you got a load on these gravel roads, they pull hard because they're soft. And,
Okay.
It may or may not be an issue. So
Okay, we're taking 15 at a time, probably one on the spear, and I'll be doing the same.
I want to point out a rare occurrence to you. It doesn't happen in the wild very often.
Okay.
But we did conceive a baby bale last night.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's so Let's do it. And we'll start in the back, work our way forward, and just continually lose ambition and just will to keep working. got 2 bales on my trailer. Dad's working on getting his 3rd and 4th on there already. I'll tell you what, that double bale spear cuts time of loading about in half, obviously. Funny thing is, this morning Dad was talking about a hay hiker a little bit. You know, if you keep watching, we might end up with one. Foreshadowing? Alright, Dad's just taking off. That looks like quite the load. We're gonna hook up here as well. And then he's still got to grab one on his front. Looks like he's going down to grab it now. On the way out, I'll grab one too. So Dad kept going towards the house. I asked him what's wrong. He said apparently there's an oil leak, which right on that single point hookup, a lot of times we got a leak there. I'd imagine he'll set his bales down and I'll unload both these and he'll work on that, and then we'll see if we can get that back going. Otherwise, he'll probably go back to single bale spear. That's a tight fit. Man. Ugh. Man, look how straight that is. I had to get it on camera because it's usually not that straight. Well, Dad just pulled away from the shop, so hopefully that means he thinks he got it figured out. I'm guessing just an O-ring went bad or something. So he's gonna dump those off. We got 15 bales sitting back there. Doesn't even look like we've been here yet. Load 2's ready, and I got a surprise at home waiting for me when I get there. Do you guys agree with me that sometimes when you're going even full speed in a tractor, you think you're going pretty slow, but then full speed with a bale on front and another 14 right on the back, you feel like you're flying. You're going, what's it called, warp speed. Hay coming off that bale, flying past it, you're white knuckling it the whole time. Yeah, it's a different feeling. Drop off these 15 and then I'll go grab my surprise. You excited for the surprise, huh? Oh, yes. Woo! That was some good sandwich. So we got 45 bales sitting over there. I'm sure Dad is just finishing up his first load to the South Farm because he brought his first load over here, so his second load's to the South Farm. So we've moved probably just 60 bales so far, not even half done with the alfalfa, and we still got that grass. So we're gonna keep trucking. Lengthening these out, except once I get to the mud, I'm not going to put them on there. I don't really want these bales sitting on mud, because clearly if there's a 1,400 pound bale sitting on top, that mud's not going to dry out. It's just going to ruin the bales. So I'm going to keep working my way down. Maybe I'll even fill in that part where the mud isn't. Alright, that's what 60 bales looks like. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's 140. To me, it's gonna look like 4 ibuprofen and an ice pack on both my knees, because they are getting sore. Hey. Dad's taking off with his 5th load. You think you're cool with them 2 bales up front? Yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. So Dad's taking off with the last full load of alfalfa. I just got 6 on right there. I'm gonna drive over. We're gonna start the grass. I feel like this gate could be just a little bit narrower. You know, God forbid I have more than 5 feet on each side of my trailer. Right there is 7 loads, about 7 hours, totaling about 96 bales, because part of that load was grass. We got 3 total loads left, so one of us, Dad or I, is gonna have to do 2 loads. The other one just has 1 load. Dad's planning on heading over, checking that grass again and seeing if we can do anything over there. It's not too windy, so we probably will be able to rake. I'll probably rake ahead of them, and if I had to guess, we'll do the end rows, and that'll be it, because the other stuff will be too wet. And then last couple loads, this tractor has actually been heating up. Usually it doesn't, but also getting a little low on fuel, so I'm gonna fuel her up, see if I can clean the screens, and hopefully she'll run a little cooler. Oh yeah, that should help a little cleaning that one up. Last load. I'm gonna let Dad take the broken one. Haha! Oh, that one broke. These are the last bales. Are you sick of hauling bales yet? I'm sure most of you clicked off by now. So we're done moving bales for today. Who knows what tomorrow will bring. Actually, it might rain. And you know what? That means I get a break. So, all right. We're gonna go check that hay, and we're gonna see if we can rake and bale. I didn't find any. Oh man, you know what this means? I'm gonna be working till dark.
You got a date tonight.
With a rake?
Yep.
Yeah. This video is gonna be like 40 minutes long.
She's a pretty rake.
It's a good thing I got these Ariat boots. Otherwise my dogs would be barking, as they say. Getting out of that tractor over and over. A lot of work. But that padding down there, holy crap. If you're interested, down in the link below, you can check them out. Back in the 75-20 I go. Oh! No, now there's dirt stuck to it. My gosh, that giant bird thing's back. Look at this. Oh my, what the heck? Thought I lived in South Dakota, not Australia. A fox. You think I could sneak up on him? You see the little guy? Oh, he gone. I thought I heard the fox say something, but what does the fox say? And right here is why we're going tonight, because there's a storm a-brewing. Going in the chamber here, we look up, and that one, this roller right here, just snapped in half. So I think we're done for the night. We got kind of a lot left. There's supposed to be a storm coming in. Yeah, so our baler broke down. I've never seen a breakdown like that before. It's not gonna be too big of a deal. My good buddy Joe is gonna come. He's gonna rake what we have. He's gonna bale what we have raked up. And so that's really nice, because grass laying on the ground, getting rained on is one thing, but if it's raked up and in the windrow, it takes a lot longer to dry once it gets rained on. So it's nice that that stuff will get baled tonight. Big Johnson Farms to the rescue. He's a good guy. It's pretty disappointing that the balers broke down. Glad our neighbor Joe came out and he's finishing what's raked. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I need a bath. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging with us. Have a good one. Hey.